Welcome to Garup Windows YouTube video channel. In this video, you will learn to disable Windows Defender Smart Screen in Windows 11 and 10. Microsoft uses a Smart Screen feature on Windows 11 and 10 operating systems to protect your computer from malware. Although it is a good feature and helps secure our system, many Windows users feel irritated when the Windows Defender Smart Screen warns the user from launching an unrecognized application by Microsoft Windows. They have to click the More Info Run Anyway option every time. The complete message on the screen is that Windows Defender Smart Screen prevented an unrecognized app from starting. Running this app might put your PC at risk. The Smart Screen is a built-in security filter that Windows uses to check every file you download and run against a unique database. If the file is unknown to the database, you will see a warning when you download and run such a file. Windows Smart Screen shows a nag screen with additional confirmation if you try to open it. Windows Smart Screen guards your browser and computer by preventing you from downloading and running potentially malicious files and programs. While the idea behind Windows Smart Screen is good, there are some issues with it because it often generates false positives, even for safe apps. If the system cannot find any information about the program you try to run, it prevents it from opening by default. The same happens with an application that does not have digitally signed binaries. Although it is a good feature, not everyone is happy with Microsoft scanning your computer and knowing what apps and files you are using. If you are one of those Windows users who are not satisfied with Windows Defender Smart Screen and want to disable it completely, this Garup Windows article will help you. How to disable the Windows Defender Smart Screen via Windows Security. To turn off the Windows Defender Smart Screen using Windows Security, click the Start or Search button on the taskbar and type Windows Security. Click the Windows Security to open it in the search results. Then, select App and Browser Control in the left sidebar of Windows Security. On the right side, click the link Reputation-Based Protection Settings under the Reputation-Based Protection section. On the following screen, toggle off the Check Apps and Files option to disable Windows Defender Smart Screen. To enable the Windows Defender Smart Screen, you need to turn on the toggle switch Check Apps and Files. Click the Yes button if UAC prompts. How to disable Smart Screen for Microsoft Edge? Windows 11 and 10 allow managing Smart Screen separately for the operating system and the Edge browser. If you want, you can disable Windows Smart Screen only for Microsoft Edge. To disable Windows Smart Screen in Microsoft Edge, click the Start/Search button on the taskbar and type Windows Security. Click the Windows Security to open it in the search results. Then, select App and Browser Control in the left sidebar of Windows Security. On the right side, click the link Reputation-Based Protection Settings under the Reputation-Based Protection section. On the following screen, toggle off the Smart Screen for Microsoft Edge option to disable Smart Screen for Edge. That's it.